Hi, welcome to Yoga and YouTube channel. This is yoga stretching class and you will have fun at the end of the class with some balancing postures. I will see you on the mat. Let's get started. Start with seated pose, Sukhasana. Place your hands on your knees. Relax your shoulders. Close the eyes. Breathe in and out through the nose. Open the eyes. Interlace your fingers, flipping the palms. Raise your arms over the head towards the sky and tilt your upper body to the right. Come back to center. Tilt your body to the left. Come back to center. One more round. Move to the right. Stretch your side body. Back to center. Move to the other side. Back to center. Inhale here. Exhale, release your arms. Extend the left leg to the side. Bend your right knee. And tap your inner thighs. Gentle massage. And then interlace your fingers. Raise your arms over the head. Like what we did before. Tilt your upper body to the left. Stretch your right waist. Right arm. And left inner thigh. Come back to center. Release your fingers. Twist to the right. Left hand on your right knee. Right hand back behind you. Keeping your spine nice and lengthened. Inhale. Exhale, release. Switch your legs. Extend the right leg. Bend the left knee. Tap your inner thighs. Gentle massage. And then interlace your fingers. Raise your arms over the head. And tilt your upper body to the right. Stretch your left side of the body and inner thigh. Release your fingers. Twist your spine to the left. One more inhale. Exhale, release. Tabletop pose. Hands are under the shoulders, knees are under the hips. Inhale, cow, lower the belly. Exhale, round your back, cat. Inhale, cow, head and tailbone up. Exhale, cat, head and tailbone down. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow, lower the belly, tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Feet are hip distance apart. Bend the knees. Stretch your back of the legs. Lengthen the spine. And lift your heels high as much as you can. And move your hips to the left. Place your edge of the feet on the mat. Stretch your right ribs and waist. Back to center. Move to the right side. Create space on your left ribs and your left waist. Come back to center. Look forward. Step forward to the top of the mat. On your inhale, halfway lift, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold, belly to the thighs. Bring your feet together. Inhale, raise your arms over the head, chair pose. Look between your hands. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg, bend the right knee, open the right hip. Square off the shoulders. And release. Lift the left leg towards the sky, bend the left knee, open the left hip. And release. Look forward. Move the shoulders over the wrist into plank. Inhale. Exhale, slowly bend the elbows, lower the belly. Inhale, lift your chest, cobra pose. Roll the shoulders down, elbows to your side body. Good, release. Locust pose. Interlace your fingers behind. Keep the distance of the feet. Lift everything except belly. Hold and breathe. Good. Release. Lift your chest, table pose, and extended puppy pose. Reach your arms forward. Drop the chest. Drop the head. Stretch your shoulders and upper back. Lift your chest. Come back to table pose. Thread the needle. Let's play with the balance. Left shoulder down, level 1. If you feel stable, level 2. Extend the right leg back. It's your choice. Level 3. If you want to challenge yourself, raise your right arm towards the sky. Level 4. Bend the right leg, grab that foot with your right hand. Good, slowly release. Come back to table pose. Switch sides. Place the right shoulder down. Level 1. You're welcome to stay here. Level 2. Extend the left leg back. Make yourself stable first. Level 3. Lift the left arm towards the sky. Level 4. Bend the left leg. Grab that foot with your left hand. One more inhale. Exhale, release. Come back to table pose and child pose. Relax your hips. Relax the shoulders. Lift your chest. Bring your knees together. Grab the knees. Round your back. Stretch your spine. And release. Let's close up with one arm circle. Inhale, reach your arms towards the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart center. Thank you all for sharing your practice together. Have a nice day. Namaste. If this video was useful for you, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe Yoga YouTube channel. Let's stay connected. See you in the next video.